Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. So already we have seen last two videos how to design this report and what kind of issues we are facing in this report. Okay, so in last video I have explained what kind of issue we have existing in this report. Now in this video we will try to overcome that issue. So the issue is, for example, here in this matrix, I am trying to show each product wise top regions as well as other regions. Based on the selection in the slicer, I am trying to show each product wise top region sales, region code sales along with the other regions. But so in case if I select 7 means it's not showing any other regions. Okay, because the region codes are exist only 6 only. In case if I select 7 means it's not showing the other regions. Okay, so that is the issue. Now in this video we will overcome that issue. Okay, so now we'll try to select a 5. Now you can see that each product wise, so top 5 region codes as well as other regions we can see. Okay, for example, if I select 7 means now we can see that okay, in this product these are the top regions and only 6 regions are exist for each product. So that's why, so when I click 7, so other regions sales we are reading 0.00. So here also, okay, even if I click 10 also it's showing only, so each product with what are the regions code available and remaining sales I am displaying as other regions 0.0, because so there are more than 6 regions codes not available in this report. So likewise we are showing. Okay, now it's working. Even you can select any product names, for example adjustable race and AWC logo cap and all purpose bike stand and so classic West LMS. We can select any product, so it's giving, so it's working fine. Okay, for example even when I click on 3, 5, see each product wise top region codes as well as other regions. When I click 7 also it's giving 0.0, even 10 also. So we'll try to understand what are the changes I have done to the existing method, so that so we will see that. Okay, go to result, so try to zoom in. So already we know everything about this code, only the changes I have done is here. Okay, so here I have added one more variable, so here I have written the condition. So what is the condition here is, so what are the value we are selecting in the slicer as well as the total regions. I mean, so we have region quotas. If it is equal or greater than or equal to total rows, then I am subtracting total rows minus 1. Otherwise, what are the ranking we are selecting in the slicer, same thing. Okay, based on that I'm again one more condition checking. So these two changes I have done so to work in proper way. Okay, so now it's working fine. So if you select anything, so it's giving fine only. So that is the issue, and so this is the last video in this video series. So in the next videos we'll try to come up with a different kind of requirement. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.